everybody. I'm going to have a barbecue, so I've just got back from shopping. I'm going to try and struggle down this slope in high heel shoes and 2 bags of shopping, so if I go splat, please don't laugh. One of the worst things about living here. Everywhere's got a slope. Oh, they're heavy. Right, wobble. Got them. Now I've got mustn't trip over my skirt. Hope you feel sorry for me trying to walk in high heels on slopes. Oh, you'd feel sorry for me if I broke all this booze. Right, let's go stock my barbecue up ready. Come with me. Oh, didn't lock the car. Better lock the car. Put the keys there for now. Off we go. Oh, heavy. Oh dear. Zeus, shush please. Zeus, shush. Looks like one of the dogs has been in here and emptied my bin. Right. Stop this fridge up. Oh. Nearly knocked one over already. Lots of pop. Remind me to buy more beer. I haven't got enough beer. Non-alcoholic, of course. That's what we got. Need to get that on the wall as well. A little bottle opener. Gonna pop it here. Yeah, I think on that wall there. Right near the sink. Right, let's get this Coke in. Wasn't sure if the fridge was going to shut then. What else do I need? I think I need some gin to go with the tonic. my tools up. I'm busy pressure washing everything here so that it all looks pretty. But I had trouble with the pressure washer. It kept spitting the hose thing off, so we had to fix it up a bit. Here's some tunes. Leave that there for now. Get that plugged in. Right. Get rid of that. I have to bring the hoover down again now on naughty dogs. Had this gate fitted, especially to stop the dogs stealing from the fridge. But I must have not shut it properly, so it was totally useless. Alright, oh. It's gone a bit squishy. That one's okay. Right. Trying to make a mental note in my head of what I need to get. Then I need to decide what to wear. That is the problem. Have I got enough puff? This is where you need a compressor. Broke ours. If I go purple, please send medics. Got lipstick all over my fingers now. I'm not actually convinced anything's happening. Perhaps have a slow puncture or something. Ooh. Yay! Until I've never smoked. Right. Need you guys to help me with something in my next video. I'm trying to decide what to wear. So I've got a few outfits in mind. So if I go pop them on for you, would you mind letting me know what I should wear to my barbecue? Does that sound like a plan? Right, let's chuck this in the pool. And I will go and get changed. And you can let me know what you think's most appropriate for for a video, for a barbecue. See you guys soon. Bye bye.